Hello, this is Daddy Scott and Ranger. We're at the Seventh-day Adventist Church. Yep, we're going to take a look at what's going on over here. Yep, the church, they're rebuilding, as you can see. These guys are busy as a bee. This is the update for the Seventh-day Adventist Church construction. Boy, look at that framing. That's some heavy-duty stuff there. And all the guys are down there working their way. Oh, look at all the work trucks today. They're busy, busy, busy. Okay, everybody, have a great day. Slater and Sons are doing a great job on the church. God bless.